Hi guys, so I'm here today to show how to apply lashes in 3 easy steps. So keep watching and don't judge me because I happen to do that. Okay, so what do you need? You need your lashes and you need your glue. That's it. If you want to use an applicator, you can, but it's not necessary. So I'm using Huda Beauty lashes in the style Scarlet. These are my favorite lashes because they're so dramatic like me. And also I'm using the dual glue, and this is the one that comes in the green and white box. And I love this one because it comes with an applicator, so you could just like draw on the band. So I like to say 5 steps in actuality, but I'm gonna say 3 because I literally did 2 off camera. So the other 2 steps are just applying eyeliner as I did and applying mascara. So that's step 1 and 2. The main step is you take your lashes, right? So if you look at the lash, you see that it's like a U. That's where the band is. So what you're going to do is take your glue and you're going to apply it in a U motion along the eyelash band. That is step 1. You want to put enough glue so that it sticks and it stays and it's not falling off, embarrassing you out in these streets. Step 2 is let it dry for a second. Do not try to put it on automatically because it will be sliding all over the place. That was my mistake when I first started doing lashes. I'll put the glue and then I'll be like, and it was like sliding all over. That's not what you want to do. You let it dry for a second, you let the glue get a little tacky, and then it just sticks on and it does the rest for you. So you're not gonna let it dry completely, just a little. Okay, so I'm gonna use a mirror, or you have 2 options. You can use a mirror and look down, or you can look straight ahead and just like place it on. But I'm gonna look down so you can see the view better. So I take my lash and then, right? So now that the glue is tacky, it just stuck there. So all I have to do is just press it down and adjust it so that it is on. And that is it. That's it. That is all. That's how easy it is to apply lashes. And another thing about this glue, as you see, it looks blue, but it dries clear, so don't be scared. And my eyelashes are curly, that's why I'm just making sure that it's sitting on my eye and not on my lash. There we go. And just push it down if you need to. That's it. Easy, right? So I'm gonna do the other one without speaking. And yeah.